Failure. It's something that most of us absolutely hate. We avoid it at all costs. And in fact, we avoid it to the point where we don't take the risks necessary to be successful because we're so afraid that we're going to fail. We don't want to try something new because we're not sure if we can do it. A lot of people won't stretch themselves to do something that they've never done before for fear of failure. I had a reporter once say to me that she wanted to interview me, and I was happy to be interviewed with her. I asked her what the subject was. She said, it's about failure in business. And she said, I'm having a really hard time finding people who are willing to talk about it. I went, oh no, I'll talk about it, because I feel that my failures have led me to success. And when I look back on that article, it was about 25 years ago, I realized that the point that she interviewed me was probably one of the biggest failures and disappointments in my life had just happened. And yet that was the thing that was taking me to the successes that I later experienced. So what is it that we are afraid of in failure? Well, a lot of it's just our education. It's getting a B instead of an A. It's not making the grade, not getting on the team. It's kind of inculcated in our lives that failure is not a good thing and we should avoid it. But we're avoiding it at the risk of not experiencing the success that we possibly could have. So I want to encourage you, as you're thinking about the things that you feel you're not successful at or things that you failed at, that you look for the lessons in those failures, because that's what's going to make the most impact on you. So what I want you to do is I want you to look at each failure and find the lessons in that failure. If you didn't get a promotion that you thought you should, or you didn't get the raise you thought you should, or you didn't make the sale you thought you could, or if you didn't get on the team that you wanted to be on, and particularly if you're a parent, teaching this to your children is so important, then it's to stop and say, what did I learn from this experience? What are the lessons that come from this experience? Because failure is, in fact, inevitable. If we don't fail, it means that we're not trying hard enough. We're not taking risks. We're not doing the things we need to. And this is particularly true if you have your own business. If you're just on the steady, safe side of the road, you're not going to have the success that you'd like to. You have to fail in order to be successful. So I hate to say it this way, but I'm wishing you lots and lots of failure, because I know that's going to lead to lots and lots of success for you.